Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, informational features, and fun, fun. We've been so happy to join the team at Power 106 for both sides of the story and Sheri-Fun Travel. And indeed, I know you have been very excited as you have gotten the latest deals and available options for booking your holidays. And of course, we know that you want to get in on our free cruise offer, and we never ever seem to have enough time on the program to lay out the steps to ensure that you qualify once your booking has been made with us here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts. So, this production is aimed at doing just that, itemizing exactly what you need to do, and you're in for the running. So, there are two steps, or maybe three. The first thing that I would love you to do is follow us on Instagram. We are everywhere on social media, but these are some of the key things that I want you to do. So follow us on Instagram, Share Fantastic, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Of course, after adding your subscription, we need to know about it. So we need you to leave a direct message. So, 2 steps for your social media encounter with us are going to be very necessary. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel, leaving a direct message, a DM. Step 2, you're going to tell everybody you know about us, and you're going to tell them that for all their trips, be it a hotel getaway, it might be a staff event that they're planning on one of the holidays in Jamaica or otherwise. It might just be a getaway with the family. Book it with us at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. Now, importantly, all the trips must be booked on or before Easter 2019 to be in for the run-ins, right? So the trip needs to be booked with us. They should travel, meaning you should depart by Easter 2019. So these are clear parameters. We want to ensure that we level the playing field and that all the persons who are interested in taking advantage of this super offer of a free cruise are on the same level platform. Now, all these trips that you'll be booking, we need to have them confirmed and deposited no later than September 30th of 2018 to qualify. So you have time, you've got a few months to go, so go for it. And of course, we don't need a minimum number of bookings. So from the get-go, number 1, first booking, once you're subscribed, once you're following us on Instagram, you qualify. And the big thing is, our winners will be announced on Valentine's Day via all our social media platforms. So that is Thursday, February 14th. On all our social media platforms, we will be announcing our winner. And we are on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud, and IGTV, which is a new amazing platform that has been put out by Instagram. So yeah, we'll be all over the place. Now the question is, what are you winning? Very good question. We have picked out for you a wonderful sailing with Carnival Victory. This departs Miami on the 20th of October 2019. It's a trip for 2, and once we have selected our winner, then you have a limited time to transfer it to somebody else as a gift or to book it. So we did say it is transferable, it is giveable or giftable, that's our word. and it is changeable to a date beyond the 20th of October 2019. But of course, there are a few parameters. So once you've made your decision and we have chosen the date, if you don't want to be doing the date that we have already specified, that's it for changes. So one change. So we announced the winner. Dun, 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 dun. The winner is Sam Sharp for 5 bookings. Just putting that out there. Sam Sharp calls us up and says, you know, I really want to give this to my mom and my dad, you know, Paul and Mary Sharp, for being amazing parents and being married for 44 years. They've never taken a vacation. As soon as we get that information, we're going to lock those 2 people in, and that's where the gifting bit ends. We cannot now get another request saying, you know what, they suddenly decided they're too old to travel and they don't want to go. I'm sorry. Once that happens, then there's not much that we can do, because we would have submitted the names directly to Carnival and we would have started the process. So just so that you understand how that works. And of course, we will be able to share upcoming events, but we will have a whole lot of information available on our Sheri-Fun travel feature, Fridays 4 p.m. Power 106. Hope you'll join us then. Ciao for now.